There you go.
Jackpot.
Look at that.
Look at there. New Holly carb.
What kind of engine is that? Like a 280 or something? Golly. Corey just wants this thing to drive around. All right, let it eat. Shoot. Woo! You may or may not need exhaust gasket. Oh, sweetheart.
Five speed, high and low.
So you got a choke on there you can pull?
I ain't got no 2 speed.
There you go. You're all clear. You ain't going backwards. Let it eat. Look, what a unit, dude. I think you're ready to go drill something. You've been waiting to start that thing for a minute, ain't you? I bet it's a
Mobile drill.
I bet it fires right up. Now, let me make sure. I think it's a Detroit. Yeah, it's a Detroit. So let's find make sure the throttle has good movement. It should be fine. Because this thing looks like it's been used not too long ago. Yeah, here's the throttle. Oh. Cool. Throw that jump box 24 volt.
Fire in the hole.
Oh, bad connection. That's what we got going on there. Look at that. It's going. That's cool, ain't it?
That is cool.
You got plenty of oil
Look
pressure.
at that oil pressure gauge. Look,
There you go.
look,
That's right, the
look.
gas tank. I think it's out of fuel.